Hello, my name is Ankush Bhatt, and I welcome you to the short demo in which I'll explain you about cardinality. So let's switch to Tosca. Here I have made one test case of cardinality in which I have used a module in which the automobile link is being scanned. So, for example, if we need to use the this test step two times, say of this automobile link, we need to use it two times. Firstly, we need to just wait on to see that it whether it exists, and then we need to click on it. For example, like see, okay. First, I'll just say exists is equal to true, and then wait on. Now it will first check that whether this automobile link is present there, and after that it will click on it. So to avoid this, these different test steps, we can just merge it into one test step by adding a cardinality. So let's see how we can add a cardinality. For now, I'll delete this test step. Now I'll just jump to the module attribute of this automobile and go to properties, and I can see that in one inbuilt property is there of cardinality. I'll simply change the value from 0 to 1 to 0 to n, and now go to my test case and see that another automobile link has come up. Now here I can just click on it, and now you can see that after clicking, another automobile link comes up because I have given the cardinality from 0 to n, means it will come n times. So this is all about why cardinality is used and how it is used. It is mostly specified on the module attribute level. This is all about cardinality. Thank you.